Introduction. Basil seeds, also called falooda seeds, are the seeds of the Ocimum basilicum plant, generally known as sweet basil. From many years, these seeds have been utilized in Ayurvedic and traditional Chinese medicine for their cooling, digestive, and detoxifying outcomes. When immersed in water, basil seeds produce a gelatinous outer layer, resemble to chia seeds, and can be introduced to drinks, smoothies, yogurts, or desserts. This distinctive alteration not merely enables them easier to digest, but also elevates their nutritional content by generating soluble fiber and antioxidants. In Southeast Asia and India, they are frequently incorporated to beverages and desserts, such as falooda, sharbat, and lemon water, particularly during the summer season due to their natural cooling effects. Health benefits. One, abundant in dietary fiber, encourages digestive health. Basil seeds are enriched in soluble fiber, peculiarly mucilage, which makes a gel-like consistency when immersed in water. Enhances bowel movements, aids bulk up stool and inhibit constipation. Prebiotic influence, promotes the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. Alleviates bloating and acidity. The mucilage calms the stomach lining and counteracts acid levels. Beneficial for people with digestion issues, irritable bowel movements, or infrequent bloating. 2. Aids control blood sugar levels. The gel-forming fiber in basil seeds prolongs the digestion process and inhibits rise in blood glucose after food intake, slows carbohydrate digestion. Enhances insulin action and blood sugar control, better for type 2 diabetics and those with impaired insulin sensitivity. 3. Facilitates weight management and hunger control. When basil seeds submerged in water, these seeds expand to more than 20 times their original size, and when you consume these seeds, they give you a feeling of fullness. Defer appetite pangs, mitigate excessive nibbling and food consumption. Carry almost no calories, capable it a guiltless inclusion to drinks and smoothies, perfect for people focusing to lessen or sustain healthy weight naturally. 4. Natural body cooling agent. In several societies, basil seeds are incorporated to drinks such as falooda, lemon water and sharbats to cool the body, lessen body heat particularly during hot weathers or fever. Aids inhibit heat stroke and keeps the body hydrated. Perfect addition to summer beverages for natural cooling. 5. Ample source of plant-based omega-3 fatty acids. Basil seeds possess alpha-linolenic acid, a kind of omega-3 fatty acid, promotes brain health, heart function and anti-inflammatory actions. May aid lessen triglycerides and blood pressure, a plant-based source of beneficial fat perfect for cerebral and cardiovascular health. 6. Powerful antioxidant characteristics. Basil seeds have flavonoids, polyphenols and essential oils that serve as antioxidants, combat free radicals that harm cells and speed up aging. Strengthen immune function and may decline the danger of chronic diseases, helps impede oxidative stress related diseases and encourages longevity. 7. Enhances skin and hair health. The nutrients in basil seeds, particularly iron, protein and antioxidants, are crucial for radiant skin and strong, shiny, healthy hair. Iron aids in oxygen transfer to skin cells and hair follicles. Antioxidants secure skin from aging, wrinkling, pigmentation, and deterioration. Omega-3s fostering hair, boosting lustrous and robustness, resilience. Can be a beauty-enhancing, nutrient-rich food when utilized daily. 8. Water and electrolyte balance. Basil seeds imbibe large quantity of water and aid sustained hydration levels in the body. Assist conserve fluids. May assist in electrolyte balance during physical workout, toil or intense hot weather. Ideal for athletes and anyone exhibit to intense heat or strenuous activity. 9. Promotes heart health. Appreciates to the amalgam of fiber, omega-3s and antioxidants. Basil seeds succor, lessen LDL or bad cholesterol. Enhance circulation, abate inflammation that can injure arteries. May mitigate the danger of heart disease when basil seeds are incorporated into food as bit of a balanced diet. How to utilize basil seeds? Detailed guide. 1. Measure the seeds. Procure 1 to 2 teaspoons of basil seeds per serving or 5 to 10 grams. 2. Soak the seeds. Put them in a cup of water, at least 1 cup for every teaspoons of seeds. Dip for 15 to 30 minutes until they escalate in size and make a pellucid gel-like covering. You will observe the seeds enlarge in size and soften. 3. Drain are optional. You can sieve the soaked seeds. If extra water remains, or instantly put them to your desired dish. Methods to incorporate basil seeds to your diet. 1. In drinks and smoothies, add soaked seeds to lemon water, coconut water, smoothies and protein shakes, traditional drinks like falooda or rose milk, fruit juices like orange or pomegranate. 2. In desserts, mingle into puddings, example chia style puddings, yogurt parfaits, ice cream or frozen desserts, custards and kheer. 3. In morning meal recipes, add into oatmeal or overnight oats, cereal or granola bowls, pancake or waffle batter. 4. In salads and soups, use as a topping for a fiber-rich twist after soaking. Better in cold and summer soups or fruit salads. 5. As a detox water, incorporate soaked seeds to water with lemon, cucumber or mint for a detoxifying and cooling drink. Who should be cautious? Pregnant women, consult a doctor first. People on blood thinning medications due to omega-3 content. Small children, risk of choking if not properly prepared. Daily recommended intake. There is no official RDA recommended dietary allowance for basil seeds, but general guidelines suggest adults 1 to 2 teaspoons or 5 to 10 grams per day is safe and sufficient to enjoy the health benefits. Important tips. Always soak before use. Dry basil seeds can cause choking if consumed without water. Start small. Begin with 1 teaspoon per day to see how your body reacts. Stay hydrated. Since the seeds absorb water, drink plenty of fluids when consuming them. Storage. Store dry seeds in an airtight container in a cool, dry place.